Let's look at how we can construct angle 30 degree. How to construct angle 30 degree. To construct angle 30 degree, so what we do is to bisect angle 60 degree. So we have done the construction of angle 60 degree. Now let's look at how we can construct angle 30 degree. So for angle 30 degree, what we have to do is to draw a horizontal line like this, okay? And then, so here we have angle, we have this line, so to be line AB, so line AB, so this is line AB. So somewhere in the middle of the line here, we have point O here. So what we have to do now is to take a compass, we put the pinpoint here at point O here, and then we extend the pen point to a convenient radius. So we are going to draw an arc, not a semicircle, and you can go on and use semicircle, but for me I want to use an arc. So draw an arc like this, okay? Then the radius that I used to draw this arc, so put it at this point where the arc touches line AB. So put it at this point, this same radius, and you make an arc on this big arc here, okay? So let's call this point, let's call it point C, where the arc touches the big arc. And then let's call this point, let's call it point E, where the arc touches line AB. Okay, so the angle from this point C, okay, to point D with point O is 60 degree. Okay, so what we have to do now is to bisect 60 degree to get 30 degree. So divide angle 60 degree into 2, and then we have 30 degrees. So put the pinpoint of the compass here at point C, and then extend the pen point to a convenient radius. So draw an arc like this, okay? Draw this arc, and then put the midpoint with the same radius at point D here, and then draw an arc, okay? So the two arcs intersect at this point. Let's call this point, let's call it point E, okay? This is point E here. So what we have to do now is that we are going to draw a line from point O passing through point E. Then we have angle 30 degrees. So we have bisected 60 to get 30 degrees. So we draw this line like this, okay? So this angle that we have here from this point here, so to this point, is 30 degrees. So this angle is 30 degrees. So this is how to obtain angle 30 degrees, as simple as I've done it here. Thank you, and God bless you.